Having trouble opening apps like YouTube, Disney Plus, or HBO Max on your Samsung TV in 2025? You're definitely not alone. Let's break down exactly why this happens and what's going on behind the scenes. Now let's look at the main reasons why your apps might not be opening. There are 5 common culprits that cause these frustrating issues. First reason, insufficient memory. This is especially common on older Samsung TV models from 2018 to 2020. Think of your TV's memory like a desk. If it's cluttered with too much stuff, there's no room to work on new tasks. Second reason, weak Wi Fi connection. Your apps need a strong, stable internet connection to load properly. If your Wi Fi signal is weak or unstable, apps simply can't download the content they need to function. Third reason, outdated app versions. Streaming services like Netflix, Disney Plus, and YouTube constantly update their apps with new features and security improvements. If your TV hasn't updated, compatibility issues arise. Fourth reason, corrupted cache files. Think of cache like temporary notes your TV takes to remember how apps work. Sometimes these notes get corrupted or outdated, causing apps to malfunction or refuse to open. Fifth and final reason, software bugs in Samsung's Tizen operating system itself. Sometimes the problem isn't with individual apps, but with the underlying system that runs them all. Here's a perfect real-world example from early 2025. Millions of Samsung TV users suddenly couldn't open YouTube due to a Google API change. This wasn't a problem with individual TVs, but a compatibility issue between YouTube's updated system and Samsung's software. So remember, when your Samsung TV apps won't open, it's usually one of these 5 issues: insufficient memory, weak Wi-Fi, outdated apps, corrupted cache, or system bugs. Understanding the root cause helps you apply the right solution. Let's get those apps working again. Here's a proven 5-step quick fix solution that resolves most Samsung TV app issues. We'll walk through each step together. Step 1 is the soft reset. Hold the power button on your TV for 10 seconds while it's on. This is like restarting your computer and clears temporary glitches from memory. Step 2 is network reset. Disconnect and reconnect to your Wi-Fi network. Sometimes a fresh connection is all you need to resolve connectivity issues affecting your apps. Step 3 is clearing the app cache. Navigate to Settings, then Apps, select your problematic app, go to Storage, and clear cache. This removes temporary files that might be causing issues. Step 4 is the Smart Hub reset. Go to Settings, Support, Device Care, Self-Diagnosis, then Reset Smart Hub. You'll need to enter your PIN. This resets the entire app platform and often fixes stubborn issues. Step 5 is checking for firmware updates. Go to Settings, Support, Software Update, then Update Now. Keeping your TV's software up to date is crucial for app compatibility and performance. According to experts, 67% of Samsung TV app issues are resolved with these basic troubleshooting steps. However, if you're still having trouble, it might indicate hardware limitations, especially if you have a TV model older than 2019.